Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to block a website on iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to block a website on iPhone. Maybe there is a website that you think is inappropriate, or maybe you think when you go to that website it might harm your privacy, so you want to block it. Or maybe you're a parent and you just want to block all the inappropriate websites on your kid's iPhone. Or it could be any other reason for you to block a website on iPhone. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you just have to unlock your iPhone. After that, you have to go to the settings. This is the icon of the settings. It is available in every iPhone, so your iPhone also have it. You just have to simply tap on it and then we will get into the settings. You can also see its title. It says settings. That means we are at the right place. So here we have multiple options and every option is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options we have to select on this option which says screen time. You can see it is on our screen. You just have to simply tap on it and then you will get again few options. So from all these options what we have to do here is that we have to select this last option which says content and privacy suggestions. As you can see, it also has a red icon with that. This one, you just have to simply tap on this option and then we will land into this, and there you will see again we will get many different options. So from all these options, first what you have to make sure is that you have enabled this option. If you have turned this option off, then you can still turn it on by just tapping on it. And there you can see we have this option content restrictions. You just have to simply tap on it, and with the help of that we can easily block any kind of inappropriate web. There we have to select this option which says web content because it is related to the websites. As its name says that web, that means it is related to website. Once you get into this option, make sure you have selected the second option from all these top three options, this one. If you're not onto this option, then you can get onto this option by just simply tapping on it, and once you tap on it, at the bottom you get two options. So first option is that if you want to always love website, then you can go for it by just adding the URL of the website in the first option. With the help of that, it will never ask you to leave it, or maybe it will never say that it is restricted. It will always allow you to open it. But if you want to restrict a website, then you have to get to this option, and there you have to add the URL, or you could say the link of that website, and that website will not be able to open on your iPhone. You can add any website if you think it is inappropriate, or maybe the content on it it's not safe or inappropriate. So you just have to simply paste that link, or you can type that link, and then that website will be blocked forever on your iPhone until you change it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can block any kind of website on your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.